Hi everyone, this is Michelle Medina Season and this is Glam and Fab Queen TV. So now we're going to proceed with the makeup tutorial for the Overlust cheek palette and for the Afterglow eye palette of Nars eye palette and the cheek palette. First, I'm going to use this. That's called First Taste. All over the lid. Then I'm going to use this one that is called Crushed and Mad Love. I'll combine the two. That is called By a Dare 1. This one. Look. Wow. A little bit goes a long way. One that is called the Hotline. That's nice. The next thing is that I want to do a contour. This color, Guayaquil. That one's called Whipped. Blend it. The upper lash line. And on the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to use this one. That's what you call riding high. This one. This one. This is the first taste. use this highlighter. Then after I did my liner on the waterline, I put on my false lashes there, and more blush of the Overlust, and also I used Orgasm lipstick Dolce Vita and the mini raw seduction of Nars. It is Orgasm. I got this from Nars. I have a lot of the samples, and the Dolce Vita here. There you go. It's very nice.